Sweating. What's up? Just got off work. Doing me my oil change. Oil change, you can take it to Walmart or any place that does oil changes. They'll charge you whatever. I've been doing these on my own ever since I was 15. Ever since I started touching cars, learn how to work on my own cars. Like you see right here, these are used oil. See what I'm saying? You don't save much, but you do save. I'm going with the Walmart SuperTech 5W30 full synthetic. $16 for that. And I think I got a box of oil filters I bought from Honda. Matter of fact, I do. Got a whole box of it. Right here. Got some transmission fluid, automatic. This does work. Just so you know. Changing out your transmission fluid does work. Honda OEM. And my man threw in a whole pack of crush washers on the house. Let me grab one. Battery's running kind of low, but for oil change, don't take no more than like 15 minutes, 20 minutes of your time. What you want to do, get the car on ramps. I use ramps. Real easy to pull on and off the car, on and off the ramps, as long as you line up right. And then pop the hood. Once you have the hood pop, twist open your oil cap. Twist open your oil cap. That way when you go and get your bolt, then your oil will drain much faster. And got me a little pan to drain the oil. It is, for those that want to know, a 17 socket. And just sit, let the oil drain. Once the oil's drained, what I do, put the bolt back in. Take your hand, take the filter off. Let the filter drain, take the bolt back off, let it drain some more. After it's done draining and the draining slows down, then put the new filter on, put the bolt back in, fill it up, check your dipstick so it hits the second hole. And then once you've done that, put your oil cap on and you're done. This is what I'm doing tonight. Oil change. A little bit over 3,000 miles. It's alright. It's okay if you go over, but make sure you do change it when you have time. So out of me doing the oil change myself, 16 bucks for the oil, about $6 for the oil filter, $22. Doing it myself. 20 minutes of my time.